As an end user who enters requisitions, there are times when you're going to receive tasks. If your requisition has been rejected for any reason, you will receive an email that prompts you to UBW, and it will open your requisition to the requisition entry tab. This is if you just open UBW web without receiving the email and you have any tasks available to you that need to be done or taken care of, you would click on the number on the top right and there would be a drop down. So right now I have received goods. So I would click on that and I would have a missing goods receipt. So if you don't do the manual goods receipt, you will be prompted to receive your goods because an invoice has been entered against your PO. Here, you would review your invoice and accept your goods if they have been delivered. And that will remove it from your tasks. If you opened a task that was rejected, it will again open in the requisition entry tab here. It will not tell you what was rejected in the requisition entry field. You will have to click on requisition details, and in this field you'll have all your line items that were ordered. You must click on one of the line items in order to read your workflow log. The workflow log will tell you what was rejected and why, and if you need to close a line item. And again, remember, once you've saved a requisition, you cannot delete a line item. So you would check off your line item that needs to be closed, and you would click closed and saved, and that would remove that line item from your requisition. If you needed to just change a quantity, then you wouldn't check it off. You would just change the quantity on that line item and hit save to move it back into workflow as per whoever made those changes or requested those changes. As a supervisor, like an OD or a VP, you will also receive tasks to review purchases for approval. This is what that will look like. So you'll have requisition approval. It will show the name of the person who ordered it, how much, the requisition number, and the day they made the entry. In simple mode, you can approve the entire requisition. In advanced mode, you can approve individual line items at a time by clicking them, selecting approve below the lines, and then save. If you need to reject a line, you would do the same thing. You would go into simple mode. Advanced mode. You'd go into advanced mode, select the line you wanted to reject, and then it would ask you always, the system always asks you why you want to reject. So nobody will receive a rejected line item or requisition without a reason. So you'll then have to type in the comment of why you're rejecting it and then save. That will cause the rejected line to go back to the end user, and they will have to address it, close it, change it, whatever needs to be done. If there's an issue with the requisition and you don't want to save it, you don't want to approve it, you don't want to reject it, you can also send it to someone else and inform them of the issues that you're having with it, and wait till they acknowledge the inform so that they are aware of it as well. And that would be the inform button.